this video we're going to show you how to fit a T6 tailgate spoiler. First of all, trial fit the spoiler to the vehicle. The profile on the spoiler should follow the profile on the back of the door as shown. When you're happy you've got it in the right place, mark the corners with masking tape to help you locate it. Use an alcohol wipe or panel wipe to degrease and prepare the surface. Apply master seal or a similar adhesive to the rear of the vehicle where the spoiler will sit, ensuring you don't go too close to the edge as you don't want it to ooze out. Carefully place the spoiler onto the tailgate of the vehicle and secure in place with masking tape, making sure it's sitting nice and straight and central on the vehicle. Remove the masking tape from the corners and secure the corners down with masking tape. Make sure you're happy with how it's sitting, and there you go, job done.